This point I can't even blame government, because look at this, the place was clean yesterday, the entire place was super clean. Okay, there were so many trucks and so many JCB who came here and cleaned that entire place, and look, today it's again dirty. Like, why are all throwing trash in this small place? Like, it's not even, you can see that there is a divider and it's full of trash. Okay, and now you are gonna blame the government that that the government is not cleaning, but the government is not the problem. Okay, we Indian really need to learn civic sense. Look here, it's the pile of garbage. It was cleaned just 2 or 3 days ago and it's again there. Like, why you don't have a little bit sense? And you can see over there, there is no human connotation. Okay, no human goes there, and they can't even speed anything, because it's so much far away from here is the road. Even the railway track is so far away from that place, so it's always super clean. But here you can see it's the pile of garbage, and people have no civic sense. I have seen people throwing trash in that place. Like when there was a big function at my home, and I wanted to throw the so much of big, like 2 or 3 trash bags. So it was already, I think, 10 or 11 p.m. at the night, and I asked the watchman, like, I wanted to throw that in that dustbin, but it was already locked. So I asked him, like, can you please open that? I want to throw this trash. And he told me, no, ma'am, you can just go over there and just throw in the water. No one will know. Like, everyone throws that. And I was like, no, I want to throw it in the trash can, and I need you to open it. And he opened it, like, it was not even locked, but I just thought that it's a lock. And he told me that, like, there is a car over there, you can't even open it completely. Okay, it opens this way, so you can't even open it. And there is always a car standing over. I don't know why you can't even open it without that car, if the car don't move. And I went like this, I went to that place, I went there, here, and then I just opened it a little bit and threw everything inside the trash can, and then I closed it again.